Hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast on the YouTube channel Learning English Together. I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Bella. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes. Today's episode is all about the brain. The brain is the most amazing part of our body. It controls everything we do, think, and feel.
That's right. The brain is like the boss of the body. Today we'll talk about how the brain works, interesting facts, and easy ways to keep it healthy.
Let's start with basic facts. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds. That's like a small melon.
It's made of about 75% water. So drink water to help your brain.
The brain has around 100 billion neurons. Neurons are special cells that send messages.
These messages travel very fast, up to 250 miles.
The brain uses 20% of the body's energy, even though it's only 2% of body weight.
That's why we feel tired when we think hard.
Now, parts of the brain. There are 3 main parts.
First, the cerebrum. It's the biggest part. It controls thinking, learning, memory, and movement.
The cerebrum has 2 halves, left brain and right brain.
Left brain is good at logic, math, language. Right brain is good at creativity, art, music.
Most people use both sides together.
Second part, cerebellum. It's at the back. It controls balance and coordination.
Like when you ride a bike or dance.
Third part, brainstem. It connects to the spine. It controls basic things like breathing, heartbeat, sleeping.
We don't think about these. They happen automatically.
Also, the brain has 4 lobes in the cerebrum.
Frontal lobe, planning, decisions, personality.
Parietal lobe, touch, taste, temperature.
Temporal lobe, hearing, memory, emotions.
Occipital lobe, vision, seeing colors and shapes.
Amazing how each part has a job.
Now, interesting facts. The brain feels no pain. It has no pain receptors.
That's why brain surgery can be done while the person is awake.
We only use 10% of our brain? No, that's a myth.
We use all parts, just not all at the same time.
The brain makes new connections when we learn something new.
That's called neuroplasticity. The brain can change and grow.
Even old people can learn new skills.
Memories are stored all over the brain, not in one place.
Short-term memory holds about 7 things for 30 seconds.
Like remembering a phone number to dial.
Long-term memory can last forever.
Emotions help make strong memories.
The brain works when we sleep. It cleans itself and organizes memories.
That's why sleep is important for learning.
Dreams happen mostly in REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement.
We dream every night, but forget most dreams.
Now, how to keep the brain healthy.
First, exercise. Moving the body is good for the brain.
Exercise makes new brain cells and improves blood flow.
Walk 30 minutes a day.
Second, eat brain food.
Fish like salmon has omega-3 for brain health.
Nuts, berries, dark chocolate, green vegetables.
Drink green tea. Avoid too much sugar.
Third, sleep 7 to 9 hours.
Good sleep helps concentration and mood.
Fourth, learn new things.
Study a language, play instrument, do puzzles.
It builds new connections.
Fifth, manage stress.
Stress hurts the brain over time.
Meditate, breathe deep, or talk to friends.
Sixth, socialize. Talk to people.
Loneliness is bad for brain health.
Meet friends, join clubs.
Seventh, protect your head.
Wear helmet when biking or playing sports.
Brain injury can change life.
The brain and emotions.
Amygdala controls fear and strong feelings.
Hippocampus helps memory and emotions.
Happy brain makes chemicals like dopamine and serotonin.
They make us feel good.
Music, exercise, good food increase these.
Depression or anxiety can change brain chemistry.
But help is possible with doctor or therapy.
Brain differences.
Men's and women's brains are a little different on average.
But every person is unique.
Some people are left-handed. Their brain is organized differently.
Genius brains like Einstein were studied.
His brain had more connections in some areas.
But hard work matters more than born smart.
Brain and technology.
Too much screen time can hurt attention.
Take breaks. Look away every 20 minutes.
Video games can train brain skills.
Like quick thinking or problem solving.
But balance is important.
Now, let's practice conversations.
How does the brain learn?
It makes new connections when we practice.
Why do we need sleep?
The brain cleans and organizes memories.
What's good for the brain?
Exercise, healthy food, learning new things.
I want to improve my memory.
Do puzzles and get enough sleep.
My head hurts when I study too long.
Take breaks and drink water. With kids. The brain is like a muscle.
Use it or lose it.
That's why we go to school.
Fun facts to share.
Your brain makes enough electricity to power a light bulb.
Babies' brains grow very fast in first years.
Elephants have big brains too, but different.
The brain is still a mystery.
Scientists learn new things every year.
We know a lot, but not everything.
Take care of your brain every day.
It's the only one you have.
Small habits make big difference.
Eat well, move, learn, sleep, be happy.
Your brain will thank you.
Everyone, try one new brain-healthy thing this week.
Maybe learn 10 new English words.
Or go for a long walk.
Feel the difference.
Thank you for listening to Learning English Together.
We hope this episode helps you understand your amazing brain.
Use your brain to learn more English every day.
Practice talking about the brain with simple sentences.
Like, my brain needs sleep, or exercise is good for the brain.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. Keep your brain happy and healthy.